Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, January 21st, 2020. Okay, and I really don't have nothing spectacular to share with you, but I do have one signal that just came in just now for GBPNZD. It's a sell. Okay, and we see here that we have a new candle that just formed, and the arrow point was on the last candle. So this is about 1 hour ago the signal came in. Okay, and has not repainted yet. So it looks like a really good time to sell. There is a chance that it could go up. Right now the price is kind of like bobbing up and down, but it has dropped since the last candle, okay, as we can see right here. Okay, so it looks like a pretty strong level of resistance and should be going down. Okay, the price that hit this level of resistance and came down, and then came back up, and then broke slightly higher and came back down. And this time it came back up and broke slightly higher, and so therefore it should be coming back down as well. It's going to be up and down like this. Overall, eventually it's going to be going up, right? But as of right now, it should be dropping. I do not expect a huge drop, okay, because it's kind of an uptrend still. But right now we definitely catch some pips on the way down. What you need to do in this situation is you can do two things, okay? Number one, you can draw a trend line coming up like this, okay, and this right here would be your support. If it breaks this trend line and comes down, that would be a perfect time to sell. Okay, perfect time to sell. Now also you can do, which I've shown many times in all my other videos, is draw a Fibonacci. Okay, all you have to do is come right here and click on the F for Fibonacci, okay, and then go from the previous candle, which in this case is the blue candle, and draw from that candle there on the blue arrow and draw up to the top of the candle where the red arrow is right now, okay, where the current arrow is, okay, the current candle. So this is a high point, this is a low point. So we're drawing that, right? And then you have a 23.6, 38.2, 50, and 61.8 level, right? And the 23.6 typically and ideally is where the price is going to break when it crosses this trend line. And what we want to do is put a sell stop pending order a little bit below this 23.6 level. So when it finally does break, it's going to activate that pending order and then drop. Okay, and then we can put a take profit a little ways above the 38.2. So it'll come down and break this 23.6 and then come down to the next level. Once it breaks this by a few candles, it's going to drop down to this level. If it breaks this level, it's going to drop to this level. But there's a good chance it can hit this level and go back up again. We don't know, okay? But at least we can put a pending order with take profit in this level. So if it does break, we can catch some pips, catch some profit, you know, when it comes down on this level. Also, we want to put a pending order like this because if you were to sell right now and the price keeps shooting up, you know, you'd have a lot of drawdown. You'd probably be in a little bit of trouble there, right? And we cannot, you know, foresee the future. As you see right now, I'm making this video, this price actually did shoot up a little bit more. So like I said, it's still kind of bullish. It's still kind of fighting up, right? And we don't know. It could break this resistance and go up higher. You know, I cannot predict the future at this present point in time, but what we can do is put a sell stop pending order, and that's perfect because if the price keeps going up and up and up, it's okay because the pending order was never activated. And then all we have to do is come back in another hour or a couple hours and then redraw this Fibonacci and then just reset our pending order. Very simple, okay, very easy. So how we do this is go right here where it says new order, okay, click on this, and then this window will pop up, and then change this from market execution to pending order, and then right here change this from buy limit to sell stop, okay? And then for at price right here, we're going to choose a price that's a little bit lower than this line right here, and I'm going to pick 1.97350, 1.97350. And for take profit, I'm going to choose something that's a little bit higher, which I can put 1.97150. 1.97150, and that should give me about 200 pips on profit, I think. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. Okay, let's see. Well, it's not showing. It should pop up. Well, we got a sell stop right here and TP right here, and okay, there we go. Now it says 200 pips profit, so that's very, very good. Okay, these GBP pairs are excellent to trade. I really like them. So this actually is a pretty good signal to trade. Hopefully this will drop and you can hit your sell stop and take profit within the next probably 4 to 5 hours. I don't know exactly, but that's what I'm guessing. Anywhere 4 to 5, maybe even 6 hours, this should drop and hit that take profit, okay? Because once it starts dropping, it's gonna keep dropping. And that's typically how it works. If it keeps going up, it might go up for a few more hours and then drop, and then eventually drop. And you can just, you know, like I said, redraw your Fibonacci and reset your pending order. So with that said, okay, this is my free daily signal. GBPNZD is a sell. Trade it how you want, but to be 100% safe, you know, draw a trend line, wait for that trend line to break, and then hop into the trade, okay? Or you can draw a Fibonacci, okay? And the Fibonacci is just there to kind of give you a guide of where you can place your pending order. If you want to place a pending order, you do not have to place a pending order. If you want to sit here and look at the charts and wait for that trend line to break, you can do that as well, okay? So either way, let me know if you have any questions or comments about this particular signal or any of my other Telegram signals. I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can contact me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video from my personal Facebook. Please contact me there first. Also, there is a link from our private Facebook group, and you can join my Facebook group if you have not already, and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, okay? That is the reason I have that group. So anyhow, let me know if there's any way at all I can help you, and just reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.